Good morning, students. Yesterday we saw civics, unit 3, state government. Under this topic, yesterday I took governor role and qualification of the governor. Yesterday we saw, and powers of the governor. Yesterday we saw one power only we saw yesterday. Today the legislative powers. The governor have a power to summon. Summon means call. Summon means call. Governor having power to summon or prorogue. Prorogue means postpone. Prorogue means what? Postpone. Postpone in the legislative state legislature, and he can have the power to dissolve the legislative assembly. Dissolve means கலைக்கப்படலாம். எந்த நேரத்திலையும் legislative assembly கலைக்கலாம். Dissolve the legislative assembly. He is having the power. He is having the power to address. Address means preside over the meeting. Preside over the meeting in the state legislature. He can preside over the meeting after the general election. After the general election only, he can preside the meeting in the state legislature. Then he can send the messages to the both houses. Both houses. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. He can send the messages. If you have any bills pending in legislature, if you have any bill pending in the legislature, he can send the messages to the both houses. He is having the power to appoint the legislative assembly, members of the legislative assembly. Members of the legislative assembly. He can call any member to preside over the meeting if the speaker or deputy speaker fall vacant. If the speaker or deputy speaker fall vacant, he can call any member to preside over the meeting in the legislative assembly when the speaker and the deputy speaker fall vacant. Is a governor having the power to nominate one member belonged to Anglo-Indian community. Only one member. He belonged to Anglo-Indian community. He can have the power to appoint one member, Anglo-Indian community, in the state legislative assembly. Noted. Next, he can nominate 1/6 of the members of the state legislative council. In the state legislative council, he can nominate 1/6 of the members. Those who are eminent persons like that. Eminent means famous. Eminent means famous persons like art, literature, or any eminent persons. Yes, he can appoint 1/6 of the eminent persons can appoint in the state legislative council. Art, science, social service, any eminent person, he is having the power to appoint in the state legislative council. He can pass every bill to the state legislature with the permission of governor. Every bill of the he can pass every bill to the state legislature. The state legislature pass any bill, the governor permission is very important. Governor permission is governor assent. Assent means permission. Assent means what? Permission. Is very, very important. Noted. The governor having the power to promulgate ordinances. Promulgate means announce. Announce. Promulgate means what? Announce. Ordinances. Ordinances means what? சட்டம். எந்த சட்டத்தை வேணும்னாலும் அவர் ஏற்றலாம். இப்போ ஒரு சட்டத்தை ஏற்றணும்னா he is having the power to promulgate ordinances. When state legislature not in a session. When the state legislature not in a session, he can promulgate ordinances. Governor having the power to promulgate ordinances. Noted. Then he is having the power to submit the annual reports from State Finance Commission, State Public Service Commission, Auditor General and other department. Also, they submit their annual reports to the governor. Noted. Financial powers. Governor having the financial power, lot of financial powers. He is having. He should lay the annual budget to the state legislature. Submit the annual budget to the state legislature. Governor having the power to prepare the annual budget. Having the power to prepare the annual budget to the state legislature. Yes, if having any money, governor having the power to having the money bills, any money bills in the legislative assembly, they want to submit means only with the governor assent only, all the bills were submitted to the state legislature, legislative assembly, state legislative assembly, only the assent of the governor only, all the money bills submit. Governor proclaim the contingency fund. Contingency means emergency. Contingency means what? Emergency fund. Allocated by the government. Contingency fund is allotted for if any disaster occurs in the state. The contingency fund were used for the purpose of disaster. For the disaster management, contingency fund were used. Contingency means what? Emergency fund were used. The governor can constitute the finance commission. Finance commission after the 5 years, he constitutes the finance commission, review the finance commission. The review the panchayat and also municipality. Every 5 years, he can review the panchayat and municipality. The finance commission look after the panchayat and municipality review. Judicial powers. The governor having the power to appoint attorney general. Attorney general. Secondly, governor having the power to appoint district judges. If he wanted to appoint the district judges means with assent of the state high court is very, very important. State high court permission is necessary if he wanted to appoint district judges. Governor having the power to appoint district judges with the assent of state high court. Permission of state, with the permission of state high court only, he can appoint the district judges. Noted. Next, the governor having the power to appoint chief justice. Chief justice. The chief justice was appointed by the president. Chief justice was appointed by the president. But with the consultation of the governor only, the chief justice were appointed. With the permission of governor only, the chief justice was appointed by the president with the permission of governor. Consultation with the governor. The governor having the power to pardon. Pardon means what, மன்னிப்புன்னு சொல்லலாம். மன்னிப்பு. Pardon means மன்னிப்பு. Having the power to pardon reprieve punishment. Reprieve means what, reprieve punishment means what? அந்த தண்டனையை குறைக்கலாம். Is having the power to deprive punishment. Next, discretionary powers. Is discretion is aspirations of the governor. Aspirations. தனக்கு விருப்பமானதை செய்யறது தான் discretionary powers சொல்றோம். The governor having the power to submit bill to the president. Bill to the president. Any bill he wanted to submit to the president. He is having the power. Governor having the power to call any leader of any member or any leader of any party. Any party he can call and appoint the posts. And if the no confidence motion passed by the state legislature, no confidence motion. No confidence motion means what? Nambike illa tirmanam. If the no confidence motion were passed, the governor having the power to call any leader of any party and appoint that particular post, and also he is having the power to, if the no confidence motion is passed, that he can dismiss the legislature, state legislative assembly, the council of ministers. All the council of ministers were dismissed. He is dissolved the council of ministers. No confidence motion is passed. Emergency powers. The governor having the power to emergency powers, like government not carried according to the provisions. Government are not able to carry according to the provisions. Article 356, President rule is imposed. The governor unable to tackle the problem or preside over the meeting, or if any problem arose, the government not carried according to the provisions. Article 356, President rule is imposed. Then privileges of the governor. Article 336, 1, not answerable. Governor is not answerable to the any court. He is having the power to not answerable to the any court. No process for the arrest or imprisonment of the governor of state. The court is not having the power to arrest governor or imprisonment. Imprisonment put into the jail of the government of state noted. Now, students, listen here carefully. Once again, I am going to recall legislative powers. The governor having the power to legislative powers, having the power to summon. Summon means call or prorogue. Prorogue means postpone the state legislature, and he can have the power to dissolve the legislative assembly. Dissolve means கலைக்கப்படலாம். எந்த நேரத்திலையும் ஆட்சி கலைக்கப்படலாம். He is having the power to address the state legislature. He is preside over the meeting of the state legislature after the election, general election. He is having the power to send messages to the both houses of the state legislative assembly and legislative council. Messages to the both houses. Any bill is if you have a pending of any bill of the state legislature, he call the both houses and inform that particular pending bills. Any bill of the legislature. Even this permission is very, very important. He is having the power to appoint the legislative assembly members and preside over the meeting. Any members he can call and preside over the meeting. If the deputy speaker or deputy speaker fall vacant. If the speaker or deputy speaker fall vacant, he can call any member and preside over the meeting. He can appoint one member from the Anglo-Indian community to the state legislative assembly. Governor having the power to appoint one member from the Anglo-Indian community noted. He can nominate 1/6 of the members of the eminent persons, famous persons like literature, art and social service and science and other fields. If any eminent person is there, means he can call that particular person and join as a member of the state legislative council. He is having the power to every bill passed by the governor to the state legislature. If any bill, state members pass the state legislature, any bill, the permission of the governor is very, very important. Next, he can promulgate, announce ordinances. Promulgate ordinances. He can having the power to promulgate ordinances when state legislature not in a session. Not in a session, he can promulgate ordinances. He can submit the annual report to the State Finance Commission and State Public Service Commission, Auditor General. State Finance Commission, State Public Service Commission, Auditor General and other departments submit their annual reports to the governor every year. Financial powers. He prepared for the governor having the power to prepare for the annual budget to the state legislature. He having the power to money bills. Any money bills if they wanted to pass means in the legislative assembly, only with his governor assent is very, very important. Permission of the governor is very, very important. Any bill want to pass to the legislative assembly, the governor permission is very, very important. The government allotted for the contingency fund. Contingency fund means what? Emergency fund. If you have any emergency type, the unforeseen expenditure like that. Unforeseen expenditure. எதிர்பாராத செலவுகள் என்று சொல்லுவோம். Unforeseen expenditure, they were contingency fund were allocated by the government, and if you have any emergency, these money were used. The governor having the constitute finance commission for 5 years review. Finance commission were 5 years once the finance commission were appointed by the governor and submit the review of panchayat and municipality. Judicial powers. The governor having the power to appoint an attorney general, having the power to appoint the district judges with the governor assent only, very, very important. And if the district judges were appointed means with the permission of High Court is very important. High Court permission is important. The appointed by the governor only. With the assent of the state, High Court is very, very important. The chief is having the power to appoint the chief justice. Appoint chief justice, but chief justice was appointed by the president. But governor permission is very, very important. Noted. Next one, he is having the power to pardon or reprieve punishment. Reprieve punishment. Or what is that? Pity of that person. Governor can pardon or reprieve punishment. He is having the power. Yes, noted. Discretionary powers. Governor having the power to submit bill to the president. All the bills submit to the president. He can having the power to the call any leader of any party to form a ministry. And if no confidence motion passes, the entire government will dismiss. Ministry will dismiss. Emergency powers. Governor having the emergency fund, if the government not carried according to the provisions, government not able to do the work properly, at that time, Article 356, the President rule is imposed. President rule is imposed. Privileges of the governor. Article 36(1). The governor is not answerable to any court. The court not having the power to dismiss or arrest or imprisonment of the governor of the state. Noted. Okay then. See you tomorrow, students. Tomorrow we will continue.